Hey girls, and welcome to this invitation. Today is the Black Friday. I'm opening my Black Friday offer, and I'm not gonna sell you anything. And you're thinking, Yola, what the heck? Everyone's selling it Black Friday. Well, not me. My heart told me something else. So instead of doing what everyone is doing, which is like 20% discount, 10% discount, I just thought I'm going to smash the system and literally do something crazy. I'm opening spaces for my one-on-one coaching for 1 week for absolutely everyone to absolutely free. What you're going to get from there? Well, basically, you are going to get the solid plan of how to overcome your endometriosis, which is literally priceless. And if you don't want anything else after the 1 week, there is absolutely no obligation. If you don't want to work with me, don't want to buy my course, that's absolutely fine. If you want, just ask, and you feel welcome, but there's literally no obligation. This is not the sales calls. And why I'm doing this, because I know that many of my girls live in the countries that are not as fortunate as we are here in the UK. There are still girls who literally need this help so much. And I'm doing this for them, and I'm doing this for all the girls who uh, are the victims of the politics. I know a lot of girls from Russia would like to work with me or buy my courses, but they've got no way to pay because the UK put the sanction on Russia or Iran. Finishing our 4 weeks intensive, I literally crave this connection again, and I miss our community and the times we have together. So I thought, why not give something back. So all you have to do is basically email me. I'm gonna leave my email in the under this video somewhere, and you just email me, and I'm gonna drop you my Google Calendar so you can choose the date that suits you and suits me, and we can go from there. Okay, literally no obligation whatsoever. And if you tried everything and nothing worked, please also give me a chance, okay? Because hopefully I'm gonna be able to connect the dots for you. You never know. You never know if you don't try, okay? So this Black Friday, you've got only 48 hours to grab it. So grab this chance, and hopefully I will see you soon. I love you so much, and see you shortly. From my heart to yours, I hope we are going to meet, and let me help you.